This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 23PACK15 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, LP detector, oven, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, awning, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 23PACK15 is 7,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.